Hey, there we go. This is what you call a image. And I need you to speak louder. Hey.
Damn, you thirsty.
I mean, what does it supposed to smell like? Roses?
Yes.
The best perfume you've ever smelled.
What we doing, Master?
I just recently seen a video about meditation.
Yes, indeed.
And the video talked about how you ever find it hard that you can't meditate? And the reason being is that there's so many distractions. But then the video goes on to say that
All right, let me take over. So basically, the video we saw, it kind of explained, saying that, have you ever wondered whenever you're meditating, that your thoughts take over and you're never really able to focus on meditation itself because you're busy trying to suppress your thoughts. And you can never get into the art of meditation. So, and then he goes on to say that, that's not what meditation is about, basically. Meditation is about, embracing those thoughts. Because at the end of the day, we're all energy. We can neither, what did he say again? We're all energy. We can neither be destroyed or
shifted.
We can be shifted, but we can't be destroyed because we're all energy. So, that really, really shifted my way of thinking a little bit about meditation itself because shut up. It just put it in a whole new light for me about what meditation is about. Because it's something that I've struggled with. Whenever I wanted to, or whenever I needed to meditate, it's always, what, I'm boring?
Sorry, I just needed to yawn. I'm sorry.
Anyways. Yeah, whenever I needed to meditate, it was always an issue for me to try to control my thoughts because my brain would wander off into the abyss and I would just start thinking about everything that I didn't need to think of right when I need to meditate.
The same thing is the issue with me. And you know how hype I am. You've seen the past video. I am crazy.
We know. Go ahead. I'm listening.
I'm flabbergasted. But
anyways.
it's I try and try. They say clear your mind, breathe in, breathe out.
Yeah, all the gurus out there are take a deep breath, breathe in, breathe out, and, focus, on the moment within or the moment at hand. Everywhere you go, this is the common instruction to meditation.
But how do you do that? Because
how are we supposed to focus when the mind is supposed to be filled with thoughts? The mind is supposed to process. The mind is like a processing, rig. It's supposed to process every thought, every feeling, every thought, every feeling, every emotion, everything. So how am I supposed to suppress that and stay calm and focus on meditation if I can't control my thoughts? So this guy, he just basically said, embrace the thoughts. Let the thoughts come in. This is what you focus on when you meditate. Allow your brain, allow your mind to fully express those thoughts. Because the more you try to suppress the thoughts, the more you run away from meditation and the more you get more frustrated and the less calm that you are. So the more you just let go and just let those thoughts flow, the better it is for you to master the art of meditation. So that's the message that, that's the message that I got. You don't even smell nothing. Relax. So annoying.
I didn't tell you I smelled anything. You're assuming, so hey, you're guilty of your own stench.
Bye. But yeah, so that's the conclusion that we got based off of that video. And it's a theory that I've been thinking about for a long time, and the video basically confirmed it. Meditation is not about suppressing your thoughts. It's not about putting your thoughts on a back burner for like 5-10 minutes or however long you meditate. It's about allowing those thoughts to flow, so that you could, like, confronting your thoughts. That's the key word here, is to confront your thoughts, in order to get past that first hurdle. What happened?
I like confronting my thoughts.
Why?
Because when I think about your big booty, I confront you.
Oh, Lord. That's a story for another day. But, yeah, when you learn to...
I meant to say, when I think about your beautiful beauty,
yeah,
I like to confront you.
You sure do. Anyways.
A whole lot.
So annoying. But yes, so when you confront your thoughts, it'll make it an easier process for you to meditate. This is something that myself and him, we're gonna try together. Because we've meditated separately, but we never actually meditated together as a couple. And that's something that I really want us to get started doing. So that we can just see the experience and see what really works for us. Because, hey, in this life, you have a lot of trial and error. You have a whole lot of time to get it right. You can never get it right the first time. Nothing's perfect. Nothing's, perfectly structured and, hand delivered with a bow tie to you for you to just try and get it right. No. It's...
What are you talking about?
What?
There are perfect things.
What?
Like your beautiful beauty.
I knew he was going to say something. All right, Mr. Charma.
I tried the first time.
Listen.
And God just delivered this angel.
Listen.
Woo, hallelujah.
Yes, listen. You're a charmer. That's how you got me in the first place. It's okay. You ain't got to use your charm out there. Your mind.
What are you talking about?
I don't know what I'm talking about.
Meditate. Woosah. No, let's go.
Don't woosah me.
Meditate.
Don't woosah me.
Meditate. Woosah. Yeah, you really need to lick your lips, because you look like you was eating them white powdered donuts.
Alright, you know what?
Look like you put baby powder on your lips for lotion. Oh man, you got to love us.
I'm just gonna.
The energy is just.
I'm just really gonna relax right now.
I really love this right now.
I'm just really gonna relax right now because you are.
You missed the spot, the corner right there. You licked it.
I was already licking my lips when you said that. You da-da-da.
I'm your da-da-da, so.
Okay, we know that. But anyways, guys, that's what I wanted to. Well, that's what we wanted to come on here.
People them. I just felt like saying that. I don't know. Them people them.
Right,
like it gives you that.
You're so annoying. Okay, relax.
Say it.
No.
Say it. Come on.
Stop.
Just say it.
Babe,
say it.
Relax.
Them people them.
All right, you said it for me.
Nah, I want you to say it.
Babe, stop.
Say it. Let the people
stop.
See you say it. Let the people see you say it. Say it.
No.
You can make me smile if you say it.
I don't want to.
Come on, look
I
at
don't
you.
want to.
Look at you.
I don't want to. I'm trying to close the video. You being hyper.
I don't want to close the video.
I want to.
Come on. Them people them.
I'll wait.
Who you know got a wife like mine? I'll wait.
Nobody. Nobody could be like me, like, period.
Right? Them people them.
Period poop.
Them. Look at you. Yeah, look at you acting out. Look at you. Yeah. You see how I just draw her in? I just pull it in. You know? Pull it in.
I'm still trying to figure out who sent him after me. But anyways, yeah.
So you want to end the video so bad? End the video.
Yeah. So we just wanted to come on here and explain the art of meditation and what it's about, the real meaning behind meditation. I know there's a lot of parts to meditation, and we just touched on
action. Rock out, for real. Pretty girl come skin and she want action. Rock out, girl you are free. Come make we go in the ocean. She want action.